Hi, this is Andrew Domino with CarbSmart.com, and today I'm making Dana Carpenter's low-carb smoked salmon and asparagus frittata recipe. Most low-carb Easter breakfasts have a combination of eggs, ham, and cheese, but what if you're tired of ham? Or what if you just don't have any in the house? Smoked salmon is an amazing option for Easter, and you can find a 4-ounce package in any grocery store. Preheat your broiler. Let's prepare the ingredients. 2 tablespoons minced shallot. Snap the ends off your asparagus where they want to break naturally, then lay the spears on your cutting board and cut them into 1-inch lengths. Slice your scallions, including the crisp part of the green shoot. 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil. Have the following items prepared: 8 eggs, 1/2 cup grated Parmesan cheese, 1/4 cup sour cream, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, and 4 ounces of smoked salmon. Peel the skin off your smoked salmon if it is attached. Place your salmon in a mixing bowl or a plate or on a clean cutting board. Grip a standard dinner fork in each hand. Hold the salmon down on the plate with one fork and pull the other fork against the flesh to remove small pieces or flakes. Continue to pull small flakes off the salmon with the fork until the entire piece of salmon is flaked. Set your salmon aside. In a mixing bowl, add your eggs, Parmesan cheese, sour cream, salt and pepper, and whisk it all up. You can serve this wonderful low-carb smoked salmon and asparagus frittata to your family or guests for Easter or any time of the year. This recipe is unbelievably easy to make, full of healthy fat and protein, and it's delicious. And you could prepare it in just 30 minutes. Once it is all mixed, add the salmon and continue whisking. Coat your big, heavy cast iron skillet with coconut oil cooking spray and put it over medium heat. Add the olive oil and start sauteing the shallot and asparagus mix. Your shallot will have softened and your asparagus turned brilliant green. Don't overcook them. Better to turn the heat off, then turn it back on in a minute or two than to have mushy asparagus. Add your scallions to your shallot and asparagus and continue to stir. Now turn your burner to medium-low. Pour in the egg mixture and stir the whole thing just enough so that everything is evenly mixed. Cover the skillet and set the timer for 10 minutes. When 10 minutes is up, your frittata should be mostly set with some uncooked egg mixture on top. Slide it under the broiler, about 6 inches away is good, and let it broil for 5 minutes or until the top is set. See how beautiful the frittata is looking? These final 5 minutes under the broiler are going to cook it perfectly so it is ready to serve. You just made a special low-carb, high-fat salmon and asparagus frittata that your guests will definitely enjoy. Cut into 6 wedges and serve with a tablespoon of whipped cream cheese on each piece. When you serve it, don't skip the cream cheese topping. It really adds to the low-carb Easter experience. This recipe has 6 servings, each with 4 grams of net carbs. For a printable version of this recipe, search frittata recipe at CarbSmart.com. For over 600 more free low-carb recipes, including over 100 by Dana Carpenter, please visit CarbSmart.com. I welcome your comments below.